All right, good evening, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. Depends on when you are coming across to this YouTube channel. This is Brainybite tutorial. Okay, so all we do in this our platform is that we give you guys update concerning JAMB and admission. All right, so we also assist you to gain admission. So if you want to become one of our member, what you will do to what you will do for us is to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I drop any amazing video, just or any amazing content just like the one you are watching right now, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check out this update. All right, so if you like this content, you give this video a thumbs up, all right, so that YouTube can recommend you to other persons out there that needs this video. All right, so if you look at our my topic today, I asked a question. I said, after JAMB, what next? Okay, that's exactly what I asked as a question. All right. So the reason why I asked this question is not because I just want to ask, or it's not because I actually want to say something about this. It's basically because some persons has called me and asked me this question. So and some of my candidates they called me and asked me this question, and I didn't see it to be right. I told them that it is better for, okay, after giving them their response, I now see a reason to put it out there, because I believe that some other persons out there might be looking for a way or something like this, or might be asking some this kind of question. So I believe this question, this content will answer your question. All right, if this content answered your question, you will definitely let me know in the comment section. If you love it, you give it a thumbs up so that YouTube will recommend the video for other persons out there that has this kind of that is asking this kind of question, so that they will get relief out of it. All right, so let's get right to the video. Before I get right to the video, I want to tell you a story. Someone came to me last year. Someone came to me last year. That was last year. Last year November. The person came to me. The person were like, I want to check if I have gotten admission. To have gotten admission. Yeah, I said, I want to know if you have gotten admission. The person responded yes. I said, okay. I checked admission status for the person, and I noticed that the person has not gotten admission yet. So I told the woman that your daughter has not gotten admission. So she said, what do you expect me to do? I said, basically what you will do, since if she did well in the post-UTME, she will definitely buy the post-UTME supplementary form to know if she can be considered for admission also. So or she can pick another jam for in 2024. She said, what is post-UTME? So I told her it's basically examination or screening conducted by the university. Um, so she said, I don't know anything about that. I don't know anything about that. I was like, oh God. So maybe that might be the basic reason why she hasn't gotten admission, because her jam score was okay, her work result was okay, and she didn't sit for the post-UTME and she's asking for admission. So I believe this is where I will end the story for now, but let me continue so that you guys let me know ways. I don't want this video to be too lengthy so that you don't complain about it. All right. So now people are asking, after UTME examination, what next? All right. So after UTME examination, the thing facing you is post UTME, which is a aptitude test. All right. That is basically the thing that is facing you, because that post UTME or the aptitude test it is an examination. All right. It is an examination or screening for candidates seeking for admission into various universities, polytechnics, college of educations, and any other tertiary institutions in Nigeria. Okay, so that's basically what the post-UTME is. Okay, so let me explain it very well in detail, in a way you will understand very well. All right, let me put it in a very way you understand. So after JAMB now, schools will start selling their after JAMB, school we JAMB we hold their policy meeting with the NUC, where they would discuss um the year's national cutoff mark for the Nigerian institutions, polytechnics, college of educations, and any other tertiary institutions in Nigeria. All right, so that's why they decide their cutoff mark. Then after that, maybe a few weeks after the meeting, schools will start selling their post-UTME form. That post-UTME form is a form, it is an exam conducted by the Nigerian universities. Let's assume that you choose OAU as your first choice, then that's your first choice is the school you will buy their post-UTME. If you choose OAU as your first choice, you purchase OAU admission form, which is Obafemi Awolowo University, as many of us know. So if you put Unidel as your first choice, you purchase Unidel's post-UTME. If you choose Delta State University as your first choice, you purchase Delta State University as you purchase their Delta State University post-UTME form. Then after the form, then the school now will now bring out their exam calendar or exam date, the day they schedule the exam to be held. You understand? So you will now go to the exam that day, sit for the exam. So schools, their exam is CBT, computer based, just like the way you wrote your JAMB. Okay, so for some schools it's PPT, which is paper and pencil. All right, so you use your pencil, your eraser. In some cases, mathematical set, no, mathematical set is not allowed. You not use mathematical set. So is eraser and pencil. Okay, so you take it to the exam center that day. Then in the institution, in the university you choose as your first choice. Then after writing their exams, another step after that, it is uploading of O-level results to JAMB. All right, it is uploading of O-level results to JAMB, because during registration, that's one of the biggest mistakes some persons make. Right, the one of the biggest mistake is not uploading O level to JAMB portal. All right, so because during the registration, most of the people that normally does that mistake is the people that went to the registration day during JAMB registration with their O level, which is WAEC, NECO, NAPTEP or GCE. That is the people, they will feel like they have uploaded it or they have registered with the WAEC. But in some cases, some of the operators did not upload the O level. They didn't register you with your O level. So they believe that later on you will come back for the upload. But not all of them will tell you that they didn't do it. All right. But because of the pressure, they are trying to attend to you and also attend to other persons out there. So they will want to register you, believing that later you might hear the news and come back. But not everybody will hear the news and come back. That's one. And secondly, in the process of JAMB activating the caps for each year's admission processes, they usually lost some data. All right, so that's to say that if you upload before that time, there is every tendency that they might lose your data, and you'll be thinking that you have uploaded without knowing that it is not there, and at the end of the day, that might hinder your admission. All right, that might hinder your admission also. All right, so that's the basically steps after JAMB UTME examination. Okay, so and I want to tell you one thing. We have a WhatsApp community for JAMB, WAEC / university aspirants or candidates. All right, so you can be a member of us. Right, you can be a member of us if you don't want to go through all this process, if you don't want to miss out with anything that has to do with your admission. Right, you can be our member. The only way you can become our member is to let me know in the comment section that you want to join us, our WhatsApp community. Then I will give you my WhatsApp number, then you will message me on WhatsApp. All right, after chatting with you, I'll add you on our students WhatsApp community. The reason why you will be in our student WhatsApp community is that there you'll be following up with up-to-date informations. All right, so you're not going to miss out with anything that has to do with information concerning your JAMB your JAMB admission processes, admission, anything that concerns admission, you are not going to miss out. All right. So, and secondly, we are still giving out schools post-UTME past questions, all right, for all our candidates, all right, so that it will enable them prepare for the exams ahead. And thirdly, we will still do you still relate with so many of your fellow students, you associate with them, you do a teamwork, team reading with them. All right. So that is basically what we do there, and a host of other things that we do there also. All right. So that's what we do. So the group, it is advised you join us. So once you join us, at least you are up to 50% ready for your admission and other things. I can't mention all of them in this video because if I start mentioning them, the video will be too lengthy, and I don't want I don't want it to be too lengthy. So what you will do is you let me know in the comment section, so I'll be right there to give you my contacts. You message me on WhatsApp, then after chatting with you, I'll definitely add you there. All right. So if you don't want to, like, because the reason why I'm saying that is that sometimes I might be too busy to put that information on my YouTube page, all right? But I can never be too busy to put out information on my WhatsApp page, all right? So you guys, you become a member so that whenever I drop any, even without dropping it on the YouTube page, you will get the information there. All right. But I promise you guys, I'll be dropping on the YouTube page almost all the time, so you guys will not miss out. So all my subscribers, I thank you so much, and I appreciate you guys. All right. So what you will do, you hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification. That's all. We are not paying for that. Then when you do that, so that when I drop any amazing updates, I just do it. I promise you guys, updates will be coming back to back. Like, I'll be dropping updates for you guys, so that when I do that, YouTube will notify you, so that you don't miss out. It's not the one you'll be like the woman that asked me about admission, whereas she didn't follow the admission processes. She didn't do anything that has to do with the admission process, and she's looking for admission. No. All right. So that you get your admission and you go to your school straight. All right, so that's basically what we'll do for you. So this way I'll be ending this video. So if you have any question, if you have anything you want me to do for you, let me know in the comment section. I'll be ready to give you my contacts, so you can contact me and I'll solve the problem for you. We are here to solve any problem you are facing that concerns your admission and anything at all right? So anything that concerns your school and your admission, believe me, we'll have all the questions to all your problems. I will have the solutions to all your problems. So subscribe and turn on all the bell notification, and let me know if you have anything you want me to do for you. All right, don't forget that this is Brainybite tutorial. So until I see you guys in my next video again, don't forget that I love you guys and cherish you guys. Keep winning all.